Coverage you can count on begins with Augusta Transit getting $300,000 in federal funding. Tiffany Hobbs tells us how the funds will be used to help the community.
The recent grant comes from the Federal Transportation Administration. It will be used to improve access to resources such as medical care, groceries, and jobs.
$20 million federal dollars were awarded to 47 communities across the country through the Areas of Persistent Poverty program. The federal funding focuses on transit access, outreach, and clean energy in disadvantaged communities. Augusta was the only city in Georgia to receive one of the grants.
This grant is specifically to study the users and also to see how their personal well-being benefits from having access to transportation to maintain their independence, to get to jobs and hospitals.
Dr. Page says the funds will be used to find ways to uplift South Augusta by improving access to resources like medical care, jobs, and groceries.
We are proposing to introduce microtransit. Microtransit is like Uber, Lyft, but it's operated by a public transit agency. We are proposing to introduce microtransit in the South Augusta sometime in 2024.
The grant money will be used to study how people's lives have been changed using microtransit in South Augusta. It will also be used to see how a bigger bus service can serve the area.
South Augusta is pretty a distance from downtown Augusta, so this study will help us identify if using battery electric buses in South Augusta is the best use of those buses.
Dr. Page tells us this grant will allow Augusta Transit to study public health impacts of their services for the first time.
Similar studies have been done in other parts of Georgia, but they may not relate to Augusta. So that's why we applied for this grant to study what is happening or what can happen here in Augusta, how new transit service can improve the lives of Augustans.
Dr. Page tells us that Augusta Transit is currently applying to several other grants to further improve access. In Augusta, I'm Tiffany Hobbs, WJBF, News Channel 6.